Hello, my name is Abigail. I'm a theater and storytelling teaching artist and creative aging trainer with Lifetime Arts. We will learn how to make the best art form choice based on the interests of your patrons or the older adults you wish to serve, keeping in mind the importance of including them in the dialogue and honoring their cultural interests, backgrounds, and language preferences. The last step in your responsive programming planning is to survey your patrons and the local community to gather information about their interests and guide you in designing a successful program. One of the main attributes about adult learners is that we want to participate in our learning. We want to have a say in what we will learn and how we will learn it. One of the best ways to ensure that programs are successful is to ask your older adult constituents what they want to learn about. Let's look at the Patron Survey. This was designed as a paper and pencil instrument to be distributed to your patrons and will help determine the arts discipline and class schedule. We encourage you to adapt this tool to meet the needs of your organization and the spaces you have available. Consider only list as choices the art forms that you can successfully deliver. In addition to the patron survey, you can also provide experiences for older adults in which we can engage in conversation about our interests. For example, you can host a focus group and ask us about our learning interests and desires. The focus groups are a great opportunity to show us examples of art forms that might excite us or tell us about the benefits of creative aging. Form a creative aging committee with older adults in your community. Let them help steer the decision making. Their input and insights will be invaluable to the success and sustainability to the program. We have found that older adults themselves often have ideas about and connections to potential funding opportunities. Offering demo classes in a variety of art forms is a great way to introduce different kinds of art making and introduce the older adults to sequential program models. Finally, all approaches to program planning must always keep the community that you are trying to reach in mind. What are the art forms that might be culturally appealing to your community? Ask them if you don't know. Get to know the community that you want to work in and build relationships with the older adults and community partners before making decisions about art forms and programming. Learn about them and let them guide your decisions about what they want to learn. Also, teaching artists should speak the same language of the participants in the program. If the majority of the community speaks Spanish, then find a Spanish-speaking teaching artist and be prepared to have written materials in Spanish. Keep this in mind no matter what language is spoken in the community.